Well, so first of all, thanks to all of you. And if you like to build up a better communication skill, or if you like to develop your communication skill, then you might be in the right place. You look, when we focus on the communication skill development and especially English language based communication skill, then in my opinion we should not focus on the higher level, we should focus on the lower level, so that the problems could be solved in a lower volume. Because if we always focus on the high level, then the problem will also go higher and it will be almost impossible to sort out. But we know that if we can focus and rectify them in the very minimum level or the lower level, then it will be like a good concrete, one after one, then you can make the story. Well, so what to do? First of all, I would like to focus on some basic words. Those are eventually highly used in our daily life, like the way which and what. So which and what are almost similar words but not same in reality. And in many cases in our daily life conversation or daily life communication, what we would like to say, we get some difficulties to think about the proper uses of these words. And there are difficulties due to some technical problem. The first problem, both are WH words and they are used to build up the question, and they are also used to make the complex sentence. Next, both can be used to both animate noun or inanimate noun. So when we but if we try to realize about the uses of those words from our daily life conversation or daily life communication, then we will realize the trend of the uses of those words. Suppose in case of which, I give some examples. So red, white and blue, three colors, red, white and blue. Which is the best color to you? You look, red, white and blue, and the question is which is the best color to you? I give you the second question. There are three boys, A, B, C. Three boys named A, B, C. Which one is the tallest one? Which one is the tallest one among A, B and C? So if you look at the trend of this question, then you realize that in case of which you were given options, you have to pick your answer from option. Like the way if you say red is the best color to me, so when you were saying that red is the best color to you, then you were picking the red from blue and white and red. So there are options. So samely, about the tallest guy, A, B or C, you were picking one aparting the rest of the two boys. So these are the areas where in WH word or in the farming question you can use the word which, where the answer is optionable. That means answer could be anyone and you have all the options and you have to pick someone or something else. But if you focus on the trend of the uses of the word, then you will realize that which and what is completely different. Like the way what is your name? What is your name? You cannot say I have three names and from them I use this. No, this is not the right way. What is your name? So you have to answer very directly. My name is Mr. X, my name is Mr. Y or Mr. Z. So what is your name? You have no option. You are not picking something or someone or any concept aparting from others. So what is the best color? So what is the best color? No, this is not the question. What is the best color? This is not the question. So next, if we focus, so what are the colors of Indian flags? What are the colors of the Indian flags? So you look, there are three colors.